Overcooked eggs are no fun. The French omelet is a way to eat the properly cooked egg. So good. The fear of making an omelet is now gone. Out the door. What's going on, man? We're going to make the French omelet today. So in making the French omelet, and Megan asked for the video on the French omelet because they are super smooth. It can be intimidating. I think that's why Jamie Oliver said he calls it the scrambled egg omelet. We need a nice non-stick pan. I have that check. I need some sort of fuel, right? Burner, that's there. I've got the egg, salt, pepper, and really that's it. The biggest difference in the French omelet is there's no flipping. So the regular omelet, you know, you flip it again, put the cheese, plate it up, there you go, out the door. With the French omelet, you want a nice hot pan, and eggs go in. You want to shake. I have the chopsticks. Oh, chopsticks somewhere. I need to move the egg. That's what the chopsticks are going to do. So my hand is moving, shaking back and forth. The chopsticks are making sure the egg doesn't stick. The biggest part on the French omelet is it's not going to be, you know, super dark on the bottom. If there's a smidge darkness, browning, that's okay, but ideally there won't be any. We're going to mix these eggs up, and it's like recipes will say, don't overmix the eggs. If you have a fork and your eggs, you're not going to overmix the eggs. You want to make sure, however, they're mixed thoroughly, so when the egg cooks, it doesn't, you can't see streaks of yellow and then streaks of white. It's all a nice light yellow because you mixed it enough. So the pan's heating up. I think you saw the last one. I kind of stuck. So the trick is, now I'm going to off the heat, give it a quick pan spray, back on. Oil is still going to go in. See a little bit of movement there. I'm going to let it go a smidge longer. One thing that can happen as well, if the eggs stick, it's possibly saying your pan wasn't hot enough. So eggs going. So you want it pretty aggressively. All right. So the eggs are in, they're cooked. I want to move. So that's it, it's already ready. So you can see the nice creaminess. I'm going to put some cheese in here. Creaminess on the egg. And then to make it, we just kind of roll it over. There's no browning on the outside. You want to be pretty aggressive with shaking the pan because that's how it cooks at that high heat but doesn't burn. So the French omelet, you want to open it up, and we should see, yeah, nice and light. There's not a whole bunch of kind of separation. The more the egg gets done, the more it's separated. So that was your first French omelet. Go ahead and make those things. And don't worry about not flipping the egg to cook the top, because White Castle, they don't flip their burgers, and plenty of people love those. So doing an egg this way, you're absolutely going to love it. This has been T showing you how to make a classic French omelet. See ya!